In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create rules and reminders in Microsoft Lists, maximizing organization and productivity. First, open Microsoft Lists. You can do this from the web app or through your Microsoft 365 portal. Once you're in, navigate to the specific list you want to automate. It could be a task tracker, an asset inventory, or any custom list you've built. Make sure you have edit permissions on the list, since rules require the ability to modify settings. With your list open, look toward the top menu and select Automate. From the drop-down, choose Rules. This is where we'll build simple automations without writing any code. Click Create a Rule to get started. Begin by choosing when the rule should run. You'll see options like when a column changes, when a value changes, when a new item is created, or when an item is deleted. Pick the trigger that matches your scenario. For example, use a column changes if you want to react to status updates, or a new item is created to alert someone as soon as a record is added. Next, define the conditions by building the sentence the interface provides. This is where you specify which column and which criteria matter, such as status changes to approved or priority equals high. Keep the condition as specific as necessary to avoid unnecessary emails. Now choose who should receive the notification. You can send it to yourself, a teammate, or a group. Use distribution lists or security groups if you want broader visibility, and double check addresses so you're not spamming the wrong audience. When everything looks right, click Create to save the rule. That's your first automation done. Let's set up a reminder based on a date column. Again, click Create a Rule. Choose the reminder style trigger that works with dates in your list. Then pick the date column you want to monitor, such as due date or renewal date. Set how many days in advance you want the notification to go out, maybe 3 days for quick tasks or 30 days for contracts. Consider your time zone and work week, so reminders arrive when people can act on them. Select the recipients for the reminder, then click Create. Behind the scenes, this sets up a Power Automate flow that sends emails on schedule, so you don't have to check the list manually. That's it. By combining rules for real-time changes and reminders for upcoming deadlines, you'll keep your list current, your team informed, and your work moving without constant follow-up.